This is a revision video for standard 10th, right? And this video definitely helps the absentees as well as the students who were actively participate in the online session. So for the students who were in the online session, this is a revision video for you, and the students who were absent in the today's session, this is a right guideline or explain video for them. So today I have completed a point architecture of Gopuram, and that's on a page number 24 of your textbook. So before start to discuss about architecture of Gopuram, I would like to revise yesterday's session. In yesterday's session, we have been talking about temple architectures, right, by Pallava dynasty. So Pallava dynasty, you all know, right, that they having their own architectural style, and they were very famous not only in India but all over the world also, because they prepared the temples in a chariot shape, એટલે કે રથ જે હોય એ પ્રકારના મંદિરો એ લોકો બનાવતા હતા. And as you can see in figure number 3.6 on your screen, chariot temple of that era is presently found in India. આજે પણ ભારતમાં આવા મંદિરો જોવા મળે છે. And the famous one is Lord Buddha's temple. Then I'm going to give you the best examples here. So Bradeshwar temple, then Lord Buddha's temple plus idols, right, are the best example of Pallava's architectures. As you can see in figure number 3.6, right? તો તમને ફિગર નંબર 3.6માં તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર એક જુઓ, હું થોડું વધારે એને એનલાર્જ કરું છું એટલે તમને વધારે ખબર પડે. વ્હીલ ચેરિયોટ શેપનું એક ટેમ્પલ જોવા મળે છે, રાઈટ? એન્ડ ધીસ ટેમ્પલ કેન મૂવ, અથવા મૂવેબલ છે એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ, પણ રાઇટ નાઉ ઇટ્સ વેરી એન્સિયન્ટ and old, right? And not in a proper position. So archaeological department of India banned on the moving of this temple. That means no one can move this temple, or the authorized or unauthorized person, or any of, right, any of the body cannot give push or movement to this temple, because during the movement if any damage is there, then it's almost almost impossible for present architectures or present skill person to repair it. એમને રિપેર કરવું એ શક્ય નથી હવે આ જૂના મંદિરોને, એટલા માટે હવે એને એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ ખસેડાતું નથી અને ત્યાંનું ત્યાં જ મૂકી રાખ્યું છે, પણ એ મૂવમેન્ટ થતી હતી. That's by Pallava dynasty. So that was yesterday's topic. Now today, architecture of Gopuram. Gopuram means entrance of the temple. The construction of temples gained moment due to the encouragement of Pandya rulers of South India. They built a high outer walls and beautiful decorated gates outside the temple. The gates of this temple are known as Gopuram. The artistic glory of Gopuram has become more popular than its temple. Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai gives an aesthetic pleasure even today when viewed from distance. So architectures of Gopuram, પહેલું તમારા મગજમાં એ થાય કે સર ગોપુરમ એટલે શું? તો ગોપુરમ that means entrance of the temple. But during the Pandya rulers of South India, ના જે પંડ્યા રૂલર્સ હતા, right? Pandya is a dynasty like Chola dynasty, Mauryan dynasty, Dravidian dynasty. Pandya was a dynasty. તો પંડ્યા રૂલર્સ જે હતા મંદિરનો એન્ટ્રન્સ એટલો અદ્ભુત બનાવતા હતા. The way they constructed Gopuram, people get entertained by view the Gopuram from the distance. અને that kind of architecture, Gopuram architecture, was very famous all over the India. Pandya rulers Gopuram architectures. Now see Gopuram, that means if you see the figure માં તમે જોશો from right to left, શિખર that means pinnacle, that is the top of the temple. વિમન એટલે કે જ્યાં મંદિર પૂરું થાય અને પછી ઘુમ્મટ ચણવાની શરૂઆત થાય, that is called વિમન. Then ગર્ભગૃહ, the room there where the idol of the god is placed. Mandap, right, the roof or shaded place where the people get together during the festivals or any religious occasions and pray to God. Place of Gopuram, that means entrance of the gate. Now linear sketch of the temple. Garbhagruha. Garbhagruha means a small and dark rectangle room in which idols is kept. In Gujarati it is known as gabaro. As I told you, ભગવાનની મૂર્તિને જ્યાં આગળ મૂકવામાં આવે તેને ગર્ભગૃહ કહે છે. Gopuram, as I told you, right, 2 layers gate. Mandap, right, so mandap you can see mandap. Then pinnacle, that is shikhar, and viman. Viman is a part of temple. It is semicircle or in a sloping shape. It has a many stored, looks like a pyramid. Okay, so this is what today's discussion. બસ આજે આપણે આટલું જ ડિસ્કશન કર્યું છે અને ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર સેશન પણ હતું. એટલા માટે ઇટ મે બી પોસિબલ દેટ વી ડુ હેવ અ વેરી લેસ ટીચિંગ ટુડે, બટ ટુડે આઈ come to know many of your questions, as well as I asked the question to the students. Many of the students replied me very well, right? So even the chance for the absentees too, if you have any question you can ask me, right, by phonic communication, right? You can ring me between 6 to 7 and clarify your doubts. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope that you may satisfied with the today's video.